Children, I will tell you a word, okay? You have to tell me the sentence with the given word, okay? Right. Your word is take. For example, I take a bag. What do you say?
I take a bag.
Ah, yes.
I take a bottle.
I take
I take a book.
book.
I take book. I take a shirt.
I take a book.
I take book.
Another one.
I take a bag.
Bag.
I take a pen. I take a pad. I take a pad. I take a pencil.
Right. Tell me, Samir. I take school తీసుకుంటావా? Right. I take a book. Very good. I take a bottle. Pencil. Very good. I take a pad. Right.
I take a box.
Right.
I take a ball.
Ball. Very good.
I take a pencil.
Good.
I take a pen. I take a ball. I take a bat.
Bat.
I take a sled.
Slate.
I take a apple.
Very good.
I take a ball.
Good.
I take a bat. I take a pencil.
Very good.
I take a book.
Enough. Enough. Next.
I take bottle.
Bottle.
I take a sled.
Slate.
I take a sharpener.
Yes.
Take a pen. Take a pencil.
Very good.
I take
Very good. Claps. Claps. Claps.